HIV Self-test. The kit includes a test cassette, instructions for use, and buffer solution. Not included but required is a timer. First, wash your hands with soap and water. To encourage blood flow, keep your hand pointing downward and massage your finger for 10 to 15 seconds. The side of the ring finger is recommended as the puncture site. Gently twist the green lancet cap to remove it. Place the grey button against the side of the fingertip and press down firmly. The lancet will retract automatically after use. Place the test on the instructions next to the result as demonstrated on the diagram, and keeping your hand pointing downward, massage from wrist to fingertip to obtain the blood sample. Place the end of the blood tube in contact with the blood sample and collect until the tube is full. You may need to massage your finger again if more blood is required. Hold the test on the table and carefully flip over the blood tube to transport the sample to the sample well. Unscrew the cap of the buffer solution and add 4 drops to the sample well. Wait for 15 minutes before reading the result. Do not read the result after 20 minutes. If you yield a positive result, or if your result presents as negative and you still have any concerns, then we advise you to consult your GP.